You had to have a ticket to get your palette. Like, Ulta was like not playing. Like, this was, I thought I was in line to get Jordans. Like, I got the Hocus Pocus collection. What's up, guys? It's your girl Feliciayumm. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing and revealing the Hocus Pocus collection by Colourpop, which was a highly sought after collection. I can't even begin to tell you the struggle that I had to go through just to get this palette, okay? So Colourpop released this collection, I want to say, was it Thursday or Friday of last week? And they dropped it 12 p.m. my time. I'm here in Texas. I was literally on the site at 12:03 with it in my cart ready to check out for them to take me to PayPal, put in my information, and then direct me back to colourpop.com to say everything was sold out. So your girl was hot. Within seconds, literally, the whole collection was sold out. So I received the email from Colourpop saying that they were going to release it at Ulta. And yesterday they released it at Ulta. But it was still a struggle still getting it. I was the 11th person in line. And guess how many palettes they had in that store? 12. Okay, they had 12 palettes. So your girl was one of the lucky 12 people that got the Hocus Pocus collection. Hey, I'm super excited to reveal to you guys this collection because Hocus Pocus is a classic Disney movie. Perfect for this Halloween, you know, the fall Halloween time, and the palette is so beautiful. I also got a hold of two other things because they would be real stingy at Ulta. Like, you couldn't really buy. They only had a limited, literally 2 lipsticks. I wanted one of the lipsticks so bad, and I believe the one I wanted was Sarah. And they had literally 2 lipsticks. So the first 2 people that were in line, I'm pretty sure purchased those. I did get a hold of some falsies, which right now I currently have on lash extensions. So I won't be showing you guys the falsies, but I will be showing you guys the falsies, just not on me. So this one is called Flirty Wit. It looks so plush and so cute and just so, I'm excited to wear these once I do take these lashes off, which is probably going to be a minute. And I also got the glitter gel, and this was the only color that they had, I believe, just when I was ready to go up to the counter, because they had everything behind the counter. Like, you couldn't even, they didn't even have a display, and they only let a few people in at a time, and you had to have a ticket to get your palette. Like, Ulta was like not playing. Like, this was, I thought I was in line to get Jordans. Like, that's how crazy it was. But I also got their glitter gel cream pod, and oh my god, beautiful. Okay, so this is the collection. Oh my god, so cute. Oh my god, packaging. Colourpop is always on point with the packaging. I'm super excited to be showing you guys this palette and reviewing it for you guys. If you are new to my channel, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, share.
Sisters, prepare thyselves. 'Tis her life force. The motion works. Take my hands. We will share her.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are about to jump right into this palette. Again, packaging on point. As always, Colourpop is known for really putting a lot of time and effort into their design and packaging, which I really appreciate. It is so pretty, and the colors are just as beautiful. This palette is just absolutely gorgeous, perfect for fall. All right, so we're gonna jump into the swatches. All right, so we're gonna jump into Full Moon and Hello Salem. And Salem, Full Moon actually has a little bit of glitter in it. You guys probably can't see it off camera, but it's a really pretty color. So far these two are really nice. I like Hello Salem. That looks like a really nice base color. The next two, Brew Potion and On Toast. You guys can see that Brew Potion is, yeah, that one is definitely gonna be all over my face. The next 2 colors we're gonna dive into are gonna be Coven and Come Little Children. Come Little Children is really pretty as well. These colors are actually like perfect for fall. If y'all haven't noticed already, these are definitely some fall colors. Alright, next 2 colors are gonna be Tis Firm and Thackeray Binks. Oh my god, those are beautiful. Those are so pretty. Alright, so Colourpop definitely outdid themselves on this palette. I'm not going to hold you late. Next two colors are going to be Yabos and I Call It a Bus. Wow, very pretty. That I Call It a Bus is definitely like on some goth shit. I probably won't be using that. That burgundy, deep purple, that one's a must. Alright, next two colors are going to be Dead Man's Toe and Bewitched. You can see that? And Dead Man's Toe looks similar to Night of Frolic. Last color is Goodbye Cruel World. And that's also a very pretty color. I really like that color. Alright guys, so that is it for the swatches. Colourpop, you guys definitely recovered. This palette is beautiful. We are about to jump into the eyeshadow look. But no, I forgot to also swatch this glitter gel, so let's go ahead and do that now. So I forgot to swatch the glitter gel pod. I already know that it's gonna be pretty just because, oh, it literally feels like jelly. This is she, if you guys can see her. Alright, so I'm gonna do it on the back of my hand. Oh wow. Very pretty. I can see this going on my eyelid with nothing else. Literally going all over my face. This is really pretty. Tell me these are not the cutest little freaking earrings. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into a quick eyeshadow look. Nothing too major. As I said, when I have extensions on, I don't really like to do too much with the eyeshadow. But I do want to see a quick look that I can conjure up real quick for you guys. One of the colors that really stood out to me the most for a base color was On Toast. And I really like that color a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into On Toast. And then I'm going to go ahead and jump into Full Moon. Next color I really liked was Come Little Children. And that had like a kind of a chocolate feel, but it had glitter in it. So I'm going to put that right. Also going to be using Goodbye Cruel World on my waterline. And because I cannot get over Brood Potion, such a pretty color, I'm going to find a place to put it. I'm literally about to find a place to put it. It's that pretty. So I'm just going to dab a little bit in the inner. Oh my god, I just lost a major eyelash. Alright, so I need to go. I need to go ahead and book that appointment. I was gonna try to hold out for another week, but nah. I need to book it. I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara on my lower lashes. I'm gonna reline my lips with my NYX lip liner in Color Cafe. So I'm actually gonna dab a little bit of this glitter jelly on my cheekbones. Just a little bit because it's not, I don't feel like it's too overpowering if you just dab a little bit. Alright guys, so yes, this is the completed look. I stay pretty neutral, like that's just been my thing lately. I am definitely gonna jump back into this palette and use some of those burgundies because those were pretty bomb. Shout out to Colourpop because this palette is super cute, super pretty. Every color, it just really is pigmented and it's super saturated, so I really appreciate that. I will save these for later and I will show you guys what these look like on in person, but because I have my extensions on, I don't want to really, you know, mess with them too much. So yes, and also the jelly pot or the jelly, the glitter jelly was really cute. I put a little bit on my cheekbones, if you guys can tell. I just dabbed a little bit because I wanted you guys to see something with this. You know, I didn't put this on my eyes, so this is really, really, really pretty. Yes, if you are new to my channel again and you enjoyed this video, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to your girl. Like, comment, share, all that stuff matters. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next one.